In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first website using Siteground in a complete step-by-step tutorial. This process is designed to be as intuitive and straightforward as possible, especially for beginners who may be intimidated by the idea of setting up a website. So, let's dive in and get started on building your online presence. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Siteground website. Siteground is known for its robust hosting services and user-friendly platform, which is exactly what makes it perfect for building your first website. Once you've navigated to their homepage, you'll notice an array of service options, but what you'll want to focus on is logging into your account, so locate and click on the login button. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, you'll first need to create an account by following the prompts provided. Instead of being overwhelmed by various navigational options, go straight to your My Siteground account. This page is your control base where you manage all your Siteground services. You'll see a few tabs, but for the purpose of getting your website up and running, click on the Websites tab. This is where you'll start the actual process of creating your new website. Within the Websites tab, look for the option to create a new website. This button should be easily visible, designed to encourage you to take your first step toward launching your site. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can choose your preferences and start setting up your site. Siteground offers different options like starting a new domain or using an existing one, so take a moment to think about what suits your needs best. If you're starting from scratch, you'll likely select the option to register a new domain. Once you've decided on and selected your choice, you'll be prompted to install a platform for your website. Options might include WordPress, which is a great choice due to its flexibility and range of customization options. Follow the instructions for installation, which Siteground makes as seamless as possible. After installation, your website is almost ready to go live. You'll have access to various templates and themes to personalize your site's look and feel. Explore these themes and choose one that aligns with your brand or purpose. Keep in mind that Siteground provides excellent support services should you run into any hiccups along the way. By following these steps, you'll have your website up and running in no time. Remember, the process is meant to be intuitive and flexible, so feel free to explore and experiment as you go. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of web development with Siteground. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.